Hmm. Can you explain me once again, like what you are asking exactly?
Yes, sir. Actually,
Hmm.
when I was creating a simple project in Unreal,
Hmm.
at that time, when they give the basic mode while creating the project,
Oh, that
the,
okay. In Unreal project, when you start with, you have a starter content. That's what you
yes,
asking.
sir, yes, sir.
In
Yeah.
starter content, you have all these textures and all these things. Yes, you have.
So
After that,
they are not good, but once we download it from the asset store of the engine,
hmm.
they suddenly gets better. How? Why does that happen, sir? Is it because the files get more like good or something,
Uh,
or is it a
one,
problem with the engine?
It
one second. Just give me a
could
second.
be
I'm still not
technical the
following.
UVs.
Like starter content is like whatever you get with Unreal. It's by default it's like that only. So after that, what you're saying, you if you download something from the Unreal Marketplace or something from other assets, they are a very good quality. That's what you
Yes, sir.
mean.
Yes.
So like that may be because of the texture quality. Like by default, whatever they put with the Unreal Basic startup content, that is very basic, just to make you understand or just to for learn. Suppose you want to learn, so they give you some basic content. For all those basic content, these are very low quality texture, low quality model, and all those things. But if you download any project or any file from Unreal Marketplace or some other asset, those things will be like really high quality. It depends. Like again, by default, that map is like which any particular texture you're talking about, like that ground or that chair model is there. There's a table model is there.
Yes, the forest one, the free forest one.
Free forest. You from where you downloaded this thing?
So from the marketplace, the Unreal Market.
So the marketplace, the forest one is a very good quality. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes, sir, that's very good quality. But the same thing which we get in starter content, it's really bad. So
Okay, it's really bad and okay. Now I got your thing. Yeah, okay. By default, in Unreal, whatever you have, that is very low quality. So the
yes, sir.
quality enhances with the polygon, mesh, geometry, and plus texture size. Whatever you're downloading from the marketplace, that if you go to marketplace, there's tons of textures and files and projects are there. Those are very good quality. Reason the model is very high quality, plus the texture size is also very high quality. That's the difference. Like what I'm using this thing, Alt Control I. It's, if you can see, its size is 1K by 1K. 1024 is basically 1K. We call it 1K. So if I change it to 2K, the texture size will be really high quality. So 2K is four times of this. So obviously, if you're using a four time of this texture, it will automatically look very nice and clean, crispy. Similarly, base texture, base models are which available that a tree and shrubs and all those things are available in starter content. They're very bad quality, pixelated, and not very good, not very. There's not enough like clarity. So those are like texture size very small. That's why. That's the reason. And
Yes, sir.
in marketplace they have used Megascans and Megascan Map. So Megascan gives you very good quality. It's all scanned texture. Okay, I don't know something happened. My I guess the Unreal signal too long to open. Oh, I don't know why.
Yes, sir.
It opened very quickly. Yeah, now I got it. Got this thing. Yeah, I understood it. Anyways, so it will take any a long time. So Okay, so that is fine. So that's the practice of material study. So Unreal, so like obviously we have Unreal. We'll create assets in Unreal, and there will be lots of like environments. And finally, we'll start learning the entire process and everything. You can see this in my desktop. This character it's rendered in Unreal. So we can
Yes, sir.
use Unreal for rendering. We can use Unreal for create environment, animation, your VFX and cinematic renders and camera animation, all those things. There's so many things are there. We'll do it. That's I guess after you have right now you have basics of modeling, then you will have TEC, AAC, then you will start with hard surface modeling one, two, then we'll start with environment one, then hard surface modeling three, environment two, then organic. So environment one from environment one we'll start using Unreal.
Yes, sir.
Environment one is for introduction for Unreal, and environment two is for a fully dependent on Unreal, where we create the entire set and everything in Unreal. Like obviously we have to use like 3D software like Max. We'll use Max and create the 3D software, create the 3D assets and import it there and create the entire environment within that. We'll do that. Don't need to worry. Those things are there. Like everything is planned and everything aligned with the industry. Like whatever you need to know and learn, will teach you everything. And like one thing is just like understand the process. That is something most important. Don't focus on like tools or brushes, or don't think okay this particular software only I use. No, understand the process. If you understand the process, no matter what kind of software you have, yes, suppose suddenly you are introduced to a new software, so you can definitely work on that particular software as well, if you have the understanding very easily. So this is one like
Yes, sir.
going on. This is one environment going like currently going on with one batch. I can play this also. Like this, everything you can see, everything we have created from scratch. Like all models, all textures, all you can see the smoke and all, everything we have created, and most of the things like manually created, and it's this entire set we have created within Unreal.
Yes, sir.
So
How
all
long
these
did it
things
take,
we
sir?
will do. This like for class, this is a class task. So this usually if you do it, let's sit and do it properly. It hardly will take you around 15-20 days maximum. But because it's a class work, so it will go a bit slow. So it's around 6 weeks long.
Okay.
And like by this time you should when we'll start by that time you should be able to model everything, texture everything, and keep up with the speed, because it is environment 2. So environment 2, if you go to environment, I'll show you one more. This one, environment 2 or environment 2, one is basic, one is very simple, simplified, not very complicated. But environment 2 is something like you have to get the speed. Otherwise, what will happen? Because speed is something also very important. You need to acquire the skill, get the quality, plus acquire the speed, because efficiency is also very important. Because so that's something like highly cherished in industry. So make sure learn the entire technique, like process your this thing, like speed up and quality. Quality is utmost important. Like there's nothing beats your quality, even if it's taking you if you're taking like a little bit extra time, extra this quality, with quality will anyone will compensate that quality. This is like from another batch. This is like a finished one. Like loading. The set is quite heavy, and this is also like everything we have created. Okay. You can like check everything. So there's a water. You can see moving water. There's Rugja. It's running. So you can, so there's a like scale issue. Initially, like when we started, we okay, there's a one more thing like we missed in this particular project, scaling. Scaling, this is huge, really huge. Even if that monolithic those statue can be huge, but candles cannot be that huge. Like it's like half of this mannequin, this character, right? That's like, really huge. So like those couple of things we missed, but yeah, like you can see, and these are like a combination of lots of things, texture plus your this thing, what you call it, decal map, some specific materials, so many things. This is the entire playable level. If you like, you can like literally like change the character, add some thing, can go everywhere. There's a hidden section. You can go to that the other side. Everything is there. This is something like it depends upon the student speed also. If we don't like because we have a syllabus. Along with that, like we have to focus on students' work as well. Like if they are lagging, so that time we'll reduce the speed. It's just to make them like understand everything because making you understand is very important. So speed also very important. That's why like I always say focus on speed. Okay, I have changed this material. Oh, this section. I changed this particular material, so it's messed up. Okay, okay, understood. You can create. Lots of environments are there. So for usually for most of the class, I like every class I try to create something new. I don't. I always avoid to like reuse or recreate the same asset. Like basics are same. Basics are same always because basics there is no not much scope of changing things. But after that, once you go to your thing, HFM, then environment and organic, for every class we try to do something new so that like from every batch, a student should have a different portfolio, not the same portfolio. So that is something also very important. So you focus on those things. So like whatever you want to create, like focus on that and get clarity and start learning through those things and check videos and all. There are tons of videos available on Unreal and tons of video available on how to create stuff in Unreal. Like Unreal is huge. Like you can do coding, you can do art, you can do animation, you can do VFX. There's so many things in Unreal. So we don't touch everything because Unreal is really vast. We don't touch coding because coding is entirely different subject. We don't touch coding. We don't like particles and all we touch because that's part of like otherwise without that it doesn't look very nice. The environment doesn't look very nice. So we add little bit, touch little bit of say coding, a little bit of blueprint. Blueprint is visual scripting. Little bit of blueprint, a little bit of your VFX, and mostly to do with your art and how to create levels, how to design it, how to plan your character, how to light it, because that is something how you're going to showcase your artwork. So that is something we focus most of the time. Most of the things are focused on those areas only. And creating something like this is not very difficult. It's quite easy. But but thing is, with Unreal, system should be able to handle it. Like if you have an RTX, then that's very good. If your system don't have RTX or maybe you have like 1050, still it will work. If you have anything below that, it will be difficult to like graphic card. I'm talking about graphic card. It will be difficult to handle. Okay.
So I was making a project named horror game type of.
Hmm.
Um, After some time now, it's not ready to open only because it's got so big. It's not opening now.
So that's a big, because of that system, you need a better system then.
Yes,
Better
sir.
system, or maybe you need to optimize that, optimize all the files, then you can do fix it, I guess.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, Adya was here, but she didn't join. Okay, back. Mm, yes, we have Siddharth, we have Robin, Sham Sundar. Where is he? So practice is material study. Try to do at least one material one day, per day at least, and like based on that, 5 6 will submitted next coming Wednesday. If practice this is something like one, so you can do it very easily. Like it will hardly take half an hour, 40 minutes. So like try it and try to do your best. Absolutely the best. Like just focus on quality. Like try to like if you like create something very complicated, you try it. If you want to try it, go for it and try it. So it's like try to create something very nice quality. And it's just that's the only criteria. Quality. Like focus on quality only and only quality. Even if you're not able to submit seven, submit five, but make sure those five worth it. Very good quality. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll see you guys on Monday.